Introducing a budget-friendly hotel in Taipei. The name is the Riviera Hotel. It is a 4-star hotel. We booked our hotel about 2 months before our visit through hotels.com. The price was about $250 with an 8% discount applied by Visa Signature. We checked in at 3 o'clock in the morning, but there were no issues with the check-in process. The lobby and hallways have an antique vibe that clearly reflects the age of the building. The room layout is very unique. It's rectangular, long, and quite spacious. We're impressed with how they tried to harmonize the curtains, chairs, and bed linens. The picture frames are occasionally hung askew in the hallway and inside the room. Passing through the living room at the entrance, you will find the bathroom and closet in the center. The room is fully equipped even with a bathtub. The only downside is that the distance between the toilet and the toilet paper holder is too narrow, which was a bit inconvenient. There are shampoo, body wash, and body lotion provided. The scent is subtle and not particularly distinctive, just a neutral fragrance. Outside the window, we have a view of a building across the street, so there is nothing much to look forward to in terms of the view. Probably that is the reason why they paid a little more attention to the curtain design. The pillow's cushioning was very satisfying and the mattress was decent. We're not sure of the manufacturer of the mattress because it wasn't from a well-known brand. An impressive feature of this hotel is that although it's not used much now, all the cable connections for the TV were still fully installed. It also offers both 110 volt and 220 volt power outlets, so there's plenty of options for plugs. There's even a DVD player, which is rare to see in hotels these days. There's an Ethernet cable and a Panasonic hairdryer in the drawer under the bedroom TV. These facilities are located near the entrance. Breakfast for 2 is included in the room rate. We couldn't use it due to our schedule, but the hotel also has a famous steakhouse and a bar. We only had a plate of omelette and fried eggs, which the staff made for us, as we were planning to eat outside later. But it was actually pretty good. We can imagine the other food would have been decent as well. Due to our tight schedule, we couldn't use many of the hotel's amenities. But it's a hotel with great reviews for its facilities, so feel free to check them out. Also, there's a small izakaya that opens at night right across from the hotel. Google Maps says it closes at midnight. We didn't get a chance to try it, so we'd love to hear from whoever visited this place. Please leave us your feedback in the comment. Bye!